Hi Kentucky. This video is for your testing Pick 3 Pi Method video. In this video, what I do is I take the number pi, 3.14159, and then I add and subtract that number or variations of that number to numbers that have already hit to see if we can see potential numbers in the next 7 days. For this series, it seems like your state likes Mondays. The adjustment will be -1 plus 1, which I'll cover in just a bit. Remember, if you are new here, all math is lottery math. And then in the first portion of the video, I'll show you the back testing that I do. And then towards the end of the video will be numbers that I potentially think will hit in the next 7 days. Alright, so on January 6th, 287 hit. You're going to add 314. 2 plus 3 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 4 is 1 or 11. That number did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also subtract off 314, so 12 minus 3 is 9. 8 minus 1 is 7, and then 7 minus 4 is 3. 591 and 973 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to add 159 and subtract 159 that you got from up here. 591 plus 159, so 5 plus 1 is 6. 9 plus 5 is 4. 1 plus 9 is 10 or 0. And then in that example, you can also subtract off 1 from the 4. So you have bring down the 60, and then 4 minus 1 is 3. 630 did hit on January 8th. You're going to also subtract 159. So you have 5 minus 1, which is 4. 9 minus 5, which is 4. 11 minus 9, which is 2. 442 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're also going to add 159 and subtract 159 from 973, which you got from up here. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 7 plus 5 is 12, and then 3 plus 9 is 12. That number did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also subtract 159, so you have 9 minus 1, which is 8. 7 minus 5, which is 2. 13 minus 4, or 13 minus 9, which is 4, and 824 also did not hit in the next 7 days. Alright, so for the rest of the examples, they're numbers that did hit. For the most part, you'll see what I mean in a bit here. Alright, so on January 13th, you had 994 hit. You're going to add 314, so 9 plus 3 is 2. 9 plus 1 is 0, and then 4 plus 4 is 8. That number did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also add 159, so you have 2 plus 1, which is 3. 0 plus 5, which is 5. 8 plus 9, which is 17 or 7. You're going to bring down 37 and then add 1 to the 5, so you have 367. That number did hit on January 14th. On January 20th, you had 811 hit. You're going to add 314. 8 plus 3 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 4 is 5. 125 did not hit in the next 7 days. But you can also add 1 to the 5 there. So bring down 1, 2. And then 5 plus 1 is 6, and that number did hit on January 24th. on January 27th, you had 400 hit. You're going to add 314, so 4 plus 3 is 7, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 4 is 4. That number did not hit, but you can add 1 to the 4, so bring down 7 to 1, and then 4 plus 1 is 5. 715 did hit on February 1st. And then that 714 that you got from over here, you're going to subtract off 159. So you have 7 minus 1, which is 6. 11 minus 5, which is 6. And then 14 minus 9, which is 5. 665 did not hit in the next 7 days. But if you subtract off 1 from the 5, that gives 664. And that did hit on February 2nd. You're going to also add 1 to the first 6 there, or you could add to either 6, I guess. You're going to bring down 65 and then add 1 to the 6, so you have 765. That number did hit on January 29. On February 3rd, you had 454 hit. You're going to add 314. 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 plus 1 is 6. And then 4 plus 4 is 8. 768 did not hit in the next 7 days. But you here you can subtract off 159. Then 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. And then 18 minus 9 is 9. 619 did not hit in the next 7 days. But if you add and subtract off 1 from the 6, so you have 6 minus 1, which is 5. Bring down 19. And then that did hit on February 9th. And then you're going to add 1 to the 6, so you have 6 plus 1, which is 7. Bring down 19, and that did hit on February 10th. And I'm not 100% sure on the dates there. My notes were a little bit messy, so the dates may be reversed on what days those hit. Right, and then February 10th, you had 719 hit. I'm going to subtract off 314, so 7 minus 3, which is 4. 1 minus 1, which is 0. 9 minus 4, which is 5. Add 1 to the 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Bring down 40, and then 406 did hit on February 11. All right, Kentucky. And then based on all of that, the numbers that I think will potentially hit based on what I just showed you, it's coming from the number 988 that hit today. The numbers I got are 675, 043, 243, 723, 862, 144, 625, 524, and 733. Remember, if you are new here, a lot of times my numbers may be one off. So just as an example, let's go with 625. That might show up as like 626, 624, 615, 635, 725, 735, 514, 525, and so on. Okay, Kentucky, if you have any questions or comments, just let me know in that comment section. Right, and then, oh, one more thing too. So 723 may turn to 733, as you see right there. Potentially. All right, that's it, Kentucky.